Hi guys, Lindsay, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Android box. If you need to factory reset your box, I'm gonna show you how to do so in a very simple way. If you find that there's a password on your Android box and you've forgotten your password, or for some reason the password just shows up just like that. There are times on your Android box, for some reason, I don't know what is causing that, but there are times where a password just pop up and you never set a password, but a password is somehow activated. I'm gonna show you how to do a reset and get rid of that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to reset this thing. Yeah, what you need to do, you will see the AV port. There is a reset button here. So what you need to do is to hold down this button while turning on your Android box. So you can use your remote to turn it on while holding down the reset button like this. If there's a red light here, you can use your remote and turn it on. In another case where you just plug in your power card, some of the Android boxes will turn on the same time without pressing the power button on your remote. What you need to do, you need to hold down the reset button, and this is the power wire here. I'm gonna go right ahead and I'm gonna plug in the power card, and the power card is in, the red light is on. In this case it didn't come on by itself, it just came on by itself without me pressing anything. Keep holding the reset button until you see this screen, then release. Okay guys, so we are in the factory reset mode and we are going to use our remote to navigate, which is the down and up button. Right, so we're going to navigate using the down button and the up button. So we are going to do a data factory reset, which is right here. We are going to navigate down, data factory reset. We're gonna hit OK on our remote and we're gonna hit yes. So the system on the Android box is currently formatting, as you can see it there. We're not seeing part of the words. It is completed. So now what we're gonna do a system reboot. Now we're gonna restart the box, and this is how you factory reset your Android box. Your password is gone, and also those common problems that you may face is gone as well. If you need to do over your system via a computer, I have a full tutorial on my channel. I'll put a link in the description to that video. Guys, I'm Lens, and if this video was helpful to you, subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, hit the like button, and for questions and comments, utilize the comment section by posting a comment. Bear in mind that this may take a while on the first start up, so just give it some time, maybe a 5 minutes or so, and you're good to go. I'm Lens, and I'm out.